Hey puddings! Today, at the video, I'll tell you how I made my Harley Quinn at Birds of Prey cosplay. Kissia for Roberto Martins from Puddins Squad who asked me for it. You were so cute! So, if you want to know how I'll make that, come to play with me. At the teaser, Harley is wearing a striped shorts with stars. Very easy to do. For it, you just need a black paint and a red paint too, a brush like that, and a solid denim shorts. Mine is a hot pants. By the side, let's start to draw the black strips. And here where you put the belt, let's start just 2 red stars. At the other side, you should to draw a big one too, but pay attention at the red stars, guys. Let me tell you a secret. That's an awesome jacket, but a little bit difficult to do, but not impossible, right puddings? You should to have another of your jackets as your pattern to be perfect for you. I done with my leather one. The first part is that, and here I used this plastic fabric. But for the sleeves, I prefer to make with that to easier the process and because plastic is so hot. Here at the lapel is isolating tape and here some text because it's so charming. Let's return to begin because that's the do-it-yourself confettis. I had a lot of different plastic colors, the pink one, the blue, the green, and like the caution tape the Harley uses there, I did with a yellow bag. With a pair of scissors, I was cutting the plastic as strings. I got the confettis and snapping it with alternate colors of one. I press it with a stapler, look! Finally, I sewed it with a thread and a needle at the sleeves. That's all puddings that are here at my channel. They get ready with me for all that cosplay. The link will be here below, okay guys? And if you want to be part of my Puddins squad, don't forget to sub here and like the videos. Kiss ya, puddings!